So I ended up buying this 55-inch standing desk. Now this is an L-shape reversible desk. Now it does have a few features on it that I do appreciate. It does have an area here for your keyboard. It also has a plug area where it gives you 3 plugs, a USB port, and a C port. Plenty of things that you can plug in there. Now it does have a shelf here. Definitely comes in handy for me with my second monitor. And down below is your controller for your desk. So it is electrical. It will go up or down. And now this does have 3 different settings. However, you can set it for whatever you would like. So this is its lowest setting, number 1. And 1 is going to be for sitting and doing desk work. The number 2. Now the 2 brings you to a standing position. So if you wanted to do your desk work, it's the perfect height for that. I'm 5'6" and it puts it perfect for me. However, like I said, you can go up or down if you need to. So if you're a few inches taller, a few inches shorter, you can accommodate that by just hitting up or down. Now, button number 3. Number 3 brings you all the way up here, and this is actually great for people who have to do a lot of drawings and things like that. And you do have the S button, and basically that's just for you to set it. So if you are somebody who's a little taller or a little shorter and these settings that are already built in do not work for you, then you can build your own. So all in all, if you're looking for an L-shaped stand-up desk, you may want to consider this one. It definitely accommodates all different heights, and the fact that it's got all the different outlets is just a bonus.